All right, thanks for checking in a weather bug here on this Thursday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we're still talking about Joaquin in the Atlantic Basin heading towards Spain. I think that's kind of interesting, so we'll show you that. Talk about that front moving east, a couple of strong storms here and there, but again, some localized areas of heavy rainfall and temperatures briefly cooling down, but heading into mid-October, it looks like we are going to be warming back up. So there's the leftover of Joaquin. Of course, as of early yesterday, it was a Category 1 storm. Now it's post-tropical cyclone. But the track on that takes it very close to Spain, and I did some digging yesterday and found out that for any tropical system to affect Europe and Spain, especially the land masses, is actually somewhat rare, especially in this particular region. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Also note this Category 1 storm in the Pacific, and the track on that may be impacting southeastern Alaska. So the tropics are kind of being a little bit odd right now. Now, today we have a marginal risk of severe weather over southwest Texas, and then just a general thunderstorm threat into the Great Lakes as a front slides through. Tomorrow, that could be impacting D.C. So our friends out there under a marginal risk of severe weather for Friday. And then Saturday, we have just a general thunderstorm threat in the southeast. But today, some of the heaviest rain maybe over southwest Texas. Again, maybe a couple of strong storms there as well. And then the northern tier of the nation seeing some fairly decent rainfall tallies as that blob of moisture kicks out maybe a ½ inch to an inch plus. Also noting some moisture returning to the Carolinas after that historic rain event last weekend. Not necessarily what we want to see there, but looking ahead through again mid-October, pretty good chance of well above average temperatures, in fact, for the western half of the country. And as of now, we do have some cooler air locked up into Canada trying to get down into the U.S. It'll briefly get down here for again a couple of days here. Temperatures starting to cool down for northern Minnesota, but the overall big blob of warmer air out ahead of that front is going to keep us anywhere from 5 to almost 10 degrees above average today. D.C. up to 77. Have a good one.